Hey everybody, I'm back. Get excited, get excited, get excited. I'm back with another transformation look. Get excited. This look is a brown and shiny gold look. Get excited everybody. Now stay tuned for the video. Later folks. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Korean making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. I'm back folks with another look. I'm going to use, as always, this is my base from now on. This Gotcha in my X, and I'm going to use this on my lid area first. Fingertips just to blend it. Get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Blend, 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 everybody. Blend, blend, blend. And let's give the shadow something to stick to. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going into this Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to use that the brown in the middle. That's my transition color. And I hope my lighting is good. I hope it's good. And I'm just going to tap that in the middle. Like so, everybody. Like so, like so, like so. Like so. So I hope you guys enjoyed my last transformation look, the colorful look that I created. If you have not seen it, the video will be at the end of this video, and I will link the video in the comment section as well, description as well. Okay, folks, get excited. I hope my lighting is good. I don't know why I look like it's fading out, but get excited. Now I'm going to use the darker brown. I'm going to layer my colors as always. So I'm going to be layering the colors for this look, and I'm just going to apply that. Like so. Like so, everybody. Get excited, folks. And the reason why I'm layering it, because when I do my pictures, I want the colors to really pop. Now I'm going to use this Flori chocolate mineral shadows. And all my Flori shadows are on my website. And this is a loose shadow. And I really love Flori mineral shadows. They're very high in pigment. So I'm going to drop the link in the description section also, so you guys can check it out. So I'm just going to pat this on, only because it's loose. And I damp my brush. It'll last longer. And as always, you can use the shadows as an eyeliner and a lipstick. And that's what I like about it. The pigment come out better. And it's like so, everybody. Get excited, folks. Get excited, get excited, get excited about life. I just interviewed a young lady by the name of Latoya Johnson. She's the model for me. And she's a runway coach now. So check out the interview. Check out the interview. It's the video before this one. Check it out. She gave a lot of great tips about runway modeling. And for those of you who may not know, I used to, and I still do, but not as much as I used to, coordinate runway fashion shows and glam shows. And I'm excited about what's taking place right now. So check out Latoya. Check out Latoya Johnson. Go check out the video. Check out her interview. It was amazing. So I am using my creative juices, and I am so happy. I'm so happy. So I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Listen, please click the notification button so that you guys know when my YouTube videos upload. Click the notification button, okay, folks? Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm going in with the Flori Shiny Gold. It looks like that. And I'm going to use that at inner corner. Listen, when you guys applying Eyeshadow, it's good that you know your eye shape. That's so, so important. Your eye shape. Very important. So I'm going to apply that right like so. Right like so. I'm going to layer it. Like so. Look how pretty that gold is. That shiny gold. I really like the shiny gold. I really like all the these Flori mineral shadows. Look at that. Wow. Wow. What a big difference. Wow. Wow. I'm going to add another coating, another layer. So it'll pop. And I'm trying to look down in my mirror and at my device. So people are asking me what am I using to take my pictures and record my videos. And I'm using my Galaxy phone. Galaxy S9, and I'm glad I got this phone because I can do so much with it. So get excited, everybody. Look at that. Take some of that shiny gold, and I'm just going in my inner corner. Like so, everybody. Just going in the inner corner. Like so. And the reason why I do my looks like this lately because I don't want to put too much shimmer on my lids because that causes the fine lines to pop more. So I'm doing my looks like this now, and I like it. You blend out. Always want to blend, folks. Blend out any harsh lines, okay, folks? Alrighty, folks. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. I just want to blend out any harsh lines, so I'm going back in with that brown, the lighter brown, and blend out my crease area some, so it'll look nice and soft, like so, everybody. Blend, 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 blend. That's so important, everybody. Blend. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to use my angle brush, and I'm going to go back in the inner corner some, just to add a little more definition. I really want this look to pop when I'm doing the video. I mean, when I'm taking pictures. So, just like so. Look at that, everybody. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So I'm just basically cutting the crease. Not all the way. I'm not going all the way over. Just up into the brown. Wow. So I'm just going to smoke out this like so. Just like so. Get excited, everybody. So I'm going to create a cat eye. Excuse the background noise. I just don't get it. Like so. Uh-oh. Like so. And I do cat eyes because it helps lift my face, and that's the reason why I do cat eyes in the majority of my videos. It helps lift, it gives my face a lifting effect, and that helps pull back the face. Alrighty, and that's for us mature women. Get excited. Get excited, folks. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of highlighting in my eye area, not too much, just a little. Just a little, everybody. Get excited. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited about life. I already put my foundation on, so that's why you guys don't see me put the foundation on too much. For time's sake. So the video won't be so long. Take my beauty blender and blend, 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 blend. Please, folks, blend. So I'm gonna put my lash on. Always start in the middle first, folks. Then you attach your sides. Like so, everybody. Middle, then sides. Alright, lash, don't start. Excellent. See the difference in the lash and without a lash? Boy, what a difference. Tell me what you guys think. Get excited. The other lash. What a big difference. What you guys think? Now I'm going back into the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take the dark brown, and I'm just going to lift my cheekbone area, just to give it a little lift. I'm not going to use any bronze. I'm just going to use this eyeshadow just to lift it, lift it, lift it. Give it a lift, 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 lift. And as you can see, I'm brushing it into the cheeks. So it's into the cheeks, into the cheeks, goes into the cheeks. And then I'm just going to take my brush that I used to put my bronzer on with and blend it down some so the line won't be so harsh. I'll go into the Balm bronzer. I'm only going to tap a little bit on my nose area. And right here, that's it. I'm not going to do any highlighting all the way around. Just in here, in here. In here. So what I'm doing now, I'm going back into the Flori chocolate. I already based my lip with some Vaseline just to get a shadow, something to stick to. I was debating if I wanted to do this or do the whole lip gold, but I'll see how this is going to look. Not bad. I think I'll leave it like this. I gotta add some more Vaseline on it though. I think I'll leave it this color. Because I was going to do gold, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look, so I didn't do it. And then add some Vaseline, so it won't be so drying on the lips. Tell me what you guys think. I think it looked great. Not bad. I'm probably going to take the gold. So I decided to leave the lips like this. It's not bad. This Flori chocolate is really pretty. Look at that. So you can use this as an eyeshadow, lip liner, and not lip liner, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and a lipstick or lip gloss. That's awesome. It's on my website. I'm going to just hydrate my face. And that complete my look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next transformation. Everybody get excited about life. Like I always say, don't be moved by what you see. Only be moved by the word of God. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Later, later, later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment below, and on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.